Hello guys, I am back with a new video, and this video is about unboxing of combo sets of earrings that I recently brought from Amazon.in. It comes in a box. Let's open it. And this is from the seller YouBella Fashion Jewelry, and the name of this product is Afghani Tribal Fancy Earrings. After opening, there is another box. Now let's open the box again. The product is very well packed. And this is the first earring. It's really nice, shiny, and really looks pretty. The color and the design of this product is awesome. I'm very happy with this product. And its quality is also very good. Amazing product. And this is the second earring. Wow, it is also gorgeous. And the price of this product is $280. If you want to buy this product, check it in my description box. I have given the link there. I hope you like my video, and if you like, give a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel, turn the notification bell on so you never miss another update. Thank you for watching.